Many of us are dealing daily with negative thoughts. I know for sure that I am. But as I'm getting older, I realize more and more that, like anything else in life, to have a success in any journey we take, we need to clear our mind, clean our space, practice positive thinking daily, and give it a time. Nothing comes overnight. The same comes for happiness. It is not something that we can buy or borrow. We have to find happiness within ourselves and cultivate it daily so that it becomes an ongoing state of mind for us. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. 3 simple steps can help you to come closer to your long-lasting happiness. Here are some tips from me. Step number 1. Start a day with some small routine that will make you look forward to getting up from the bed. For me, it is making a coffee. I just love the smell of the coffee in the morning. A few months ago, we bought this very elegant looking French press, and I still enjoy using it every day. I also like to experiment with coffees from different countries. We had coffee from Ethiopia, India, Honduras, Brazil. This month we are trying coffee from Congo. They all taste so good. Step number 2, and this is very important. Stop chronic worrying. Are you spending a lot of time worrying about future? While there is nothing bad about worrying, we all do that. If you start worrying about the same thing daily, it will take all your energy and you will not be able to have a clear picture about the real present situation. Life is unpredictable and it can change very fast. So, why spending the whole day thinking about every little thing that can go wrong? Instead of that, try to identify these thoughts, analyze them, and try replacing them with more positive and calming feelings. When I notice that I'm overthinking, I meditate, or I check out how my plants are doing, or I take a book to read. The goal is not to fall in a trap of constant worrying. Overcoming a fear is not an easy task, but it is possible. Way number 3. Spend your time wisely. How we spend our days is, of course, how we spend our lives. Take a look at your regular daily activities. Do you watch TV too much? Or scroll mindlessly through your phone? Try to be more creative with your time. For example, I would refresh my knowledge of a foreign language whenever I have free time. Although I speak German quite well, I still want to improve my vocabulary and grammar. Spending time wisely is one of the most important steps towards achieving joy and happiness. I hope this video inspires you to make some positive changes in your life. Achieving long-lasting happiness is a lifelong mission, and like everything else, it doesn't come without work. But making small changes is not as hard as it maybe seems. The first step is usually the most hard one. Once you begin working on it and start seeing the results, it will get easier with the time.